For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. This is the National Weather Bulletin for 9th of July, 24 hours forecast commencing morning hours. The highlights of the brief are: monsoon is just around the corner for the leftover portion of North India. Also, the low pressure area is likely to form, that's in the Bay of Bengal shortly, most likely on 11th or so. So, monsoon activity is on the up now, and it should be fairly widespread, active, vigorous monsoon conditions coming up over most parts of the country. Reviving the monsoon and the rainfall activity picking up, it should be generally lasting for almost about 10 days, anytime from tomorrow onwards. Coming down now to the region specific, over east and northeast India to start with, we see a circulation over the tri-junction of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Of course, there is a trough also extending from this system southward, which we will cover later. Now, with this cyclonic circulation, firstly, the activity which was there over Bihar, we said in the previous brief also, that's going to reduce, and obviously it will remain subdued over parts of Bihar. Even northeast India monsoon activity, that will also reduce. In these 24 hours, parts of Jharkhand covering Gumla, Khunti, Garhwa and even Ranchi, Jamshedpur, this is the pocket which can expect rain and thundershower, could be moderate and maybe heavy at places. Along with that, some parts of Bihar, that's a South Bihar, but not very significant as such. I don't expect any significant weather over parts of Bihar. Northeast India, yes, Assam, particularly the upper parts of Assam, anything from Jorhat, Tejpur, Tinsukia, Lakhimpur, this is the pocket which possibly will have a little more activity than the lower Assam, covering Kokrajhar and Bongaigaon, this area, that's including Kokrajhar, Bongaigaon, Nalbari, Barpeta. This is the pocket which will have less activity, and other pockets of Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura will be further less. Yes, Nagaland can expect some scattered rain and thundershower activity. Coming to the northern parts now, northern parts were generally lying silent for the last many days, and therefore the temperatures were rising, and even in the previous 24 hours also the temperatures were in excess of 40 degree over most parts, including national capital Delhi. But then, as I said, the monsoon is coming closer, the easterly winds are setting, which will take the pinch out of this heat which was there. Actually, the heat wave conditions had come up over parts of Delhi and adjoining once again after having a break, but now they should be reducing. Intense heat is over, and then possibly the Delhi will see a onset of monsoon. More probable date to me, it appears 11th, but the rains will start on 10th itself, and it will give a relief for the next possibly more than 4 to 5 days. It could extend further. Lot of rain, thundershower activity expected, Delhi and adjoining areas, and even extending to Punjab, Haryana or Rajasthan region. But in these 24 hours, this will be continue to be subdued. No western disturbance, no significant weather across the hills. Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal, Uttarakhand should stay good. Central parts of the country, there is a little action over parts of Chhattisgarh, parts of Madhya Pradesh, even Vidarbha and Marathwada region, Konkan region also, the activity is increasing. Over Chhattisgarh, mostly it is the northern parts of Chhattisgarh, that is covering Ambikapur, Bilaspur, Balrampur, Surajpur. So this is the pocket which can expect rain and thundershower activity. Southern parts will be mild. Coming on to Madhya Pradesh, mostly the southwestern parts of Madhya Pradesh, that is covering Indore, Ujjain, Khargone, including Harda, Devas, Shajapur. This is the pocket which can expect rain and thundershower activity, possibly moderate and could be heavy also at some places. eastern parts, yes, Umaria, Sioni, Sagar, Satna, along with Jabalpur, they should have light rainfall activity. Parts of Gujarat should stay dry, nothing very significant, but yes, Maharashtra, Vidarbha should have, along with Marathwada region. Over Vidarbha, Chandrapur, Yotmal, Washim, Varda, even extending up to Akola and Amravati, Nagpur should have moderate rain and thundershower activity. It could be lighter relatively over parts of Marathwada covering Buldana, Parbhani and Jalna region. Konkan region, though Mumbai will not have heavy rainfall, but then moderate activity can start and it should grow further as we advance into 10th, 11th, 12th, gradually it's going to pick up. Southern parts of Konkan, yes, that will have. Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg possibly will have more activity than what Mumbai is having at the moment. Coming to the southern parts, the activity remains confined mostly to Karnataka region, also parts of Telangana and along the west coast covering coastal parts of Karnataka and Kerala, that should have activity, more activity that should be likely over coastal parts of Kerala, complete Karwar, Mangalore, Honavar, Madikeri, these are the places which can expect some heavy rainfall also. Coastal parts of Kerala, starting with even Alappuzha, Trivandrum and going up to Kochi and further north up to Kozhikode also can expect moderate rain and thundershower activity. Only thing is interiors of Rayalaseema, that's Andhra Pradesh and even Tamil Nadu, that should stay minimal activity over these parts, Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema and Tamil Nadu. But north interior Karnataka covering Gulbarga, Dharwad and even Bellary, Raichur and all can expect some rain thundershower activity. This will spill over even south interior Karnataka, places like Bangalore, Mysore, Mandya, Hassan, Chamarajnagar, including up to Chitradurg can expect rain and thundershower activity in these 24 hours. Pleasant weather conditions are likely over this. Overall, the rainfall activity, as I said, will pick up. The rainfall, daily rainfall, which generally has been below the normal for the last many days, is inching towards catching up with the normal figures, which in any case is increasing to about 9 to 10 millimeter per day now in the coming days. But then intensity of rainfall also is going to pick up and match with the daily rainfall over the country as such. Overall, monsoon activity is going to increase. That's the weather brief from Skymet. Keep watching for latest and further information. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.